Hey everyone, welcome back. So, I've got a quick and important update from Microsoft, and this one's great news for Windows 11 users. Just yesterday, Microsoft officially confirmed a problem on its Windows Health dashboard. After installing the October security update KB50707335 and the optional update KB50707389, many users found that their USB mouse and keyboard stopped working in the Windows recovery environment on Windows 11 versions 24H2 and 25H2. That meant users couldn't even navigate recovery options. Pretty frustrating. Well, Microsoft moved fast this time. They've just released an emergency out-of-band update, also known as a critical patch, to fix this issue. The new update is KB507073, and it started rolling out late yesterday in some regions. According to Microsoft, this update fully resolves the USB device issue in WinRE, so your keyboard and mouse should now work perfectly again during recovery. And don't worry, they were never affected in normal Windows mode. If you face this issue, just head to Windows Update and check for updates. Chances are, KB507073 has already been downloaded automatically, since it's a mandatory emergency update. So that's it, issue fixed, and recovery mode is back to normal. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay updated on the latest Windows fixes and patches. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.